Now there is a basic question that comes into mind, is that what two-fold rotation is doing. Two-fold is also rotating the object by 180 degrees, and the mirror plane is also doing something of the similar fashion. It is also processing the object at an angle of 180 degree on the other side of the mirror plane. So there is some confusion that students face when they look at two-fold rotation and mirror plane. So this is an example that will help you to clarify why these two are different. So this is the original motif that we are working with. So you can see that we have this notch again. So this notch is very important to understand the distinguishing feature between mirror plane and two-fold. So have a look at this video. So now this is the final image that we got. So we started with this red one. We did a mirror plane symmetry on this along this line, and we got this one back. So this notch was away from the mirror, and the resulting image, the notch is away from the mirror again. Now what we did in this image was we did a two-fold rotation. The rotation axis is such that it is at the center and going through the plane. So this is the notch that we started, and you did a 180 degree rotation and you got this notch back. So that the location of the final notch is what will tell you is the difference between a two-fold axis and a mirror plane. In the mirror plane, the notch is exactly in front of the resulting notch, while in two-fold, it is actually rotating along an axis and you have a diagonal relationship. But if you started with something like a rectangle and you did a mirror plane activity, you would get the rectangle back. If you use this rectangle and did a two-fold rotation such that the rotation axis is going inside the TV, what you will get is the rectangle back. So in these two cases, with a proper rectangle, you cannot distinguish between these two elements. But if you have such a notch, then it is fairly easy to see that there is a difference.